Dang, dang, dang. Hi, this is Dougles Chan. Welcome to the Direct Wealth tutorial number 3. Okay, today we have another case study for this person who belongs to the day palace of a Geng person. So as basing on the first tutorial, we already know that there's a stage 1 and stage 2. And basing on the Geng, we can find that this Geng is in box number 1, and then the other person Geng is in box number 2. Sorry, it's box number 6. Too enthusiastic. So anyhow. So, box 1 and the live door. This is a metal, this is a water. Under the 5 element of the theory, the metal is actually producing the water. But if you look at the live door, there's a black tortoise, there's a bandit. Both are a very negative symbol. There's also a horse, stand for not stable. If you refer back, this is also a death door and a worry situation. So business to him, although it's producing him, it may not be the best option for this person. So and there's also a few more things we have to understand. This is an injury door person with a white tiger, meaning character-wise, injury door is a very sarcastic person. The words that come out from their mouth are usually not very fantastic, very bombastic type. And with a white tiger, aggressive, so which means that technically, if you were to talk about aggressiveness, it's actually double or triple. So it can be very vocal, very fierce. So in this aspect, to have such kind of people to do business, I don't think it's the best idea. Okay, that's part 1. Which means that stage 1 of his life is like business is a no-no. Okay, so let's go into stage 2. So stage 2 is this Geng over here. That means box number 6, stage 2. So box number 6 is together with a live door. So stage 1, he has this character of a injury plus white tiger, which is super aggressive, super bombastic, super sarcastic. But he's hardworking, so he has a character of being hardworking. So let's say, is there a possibility this person, there could be a chance that he might be able to do something in business? In this case, there is a possibility. Okay, let me explain why. Because at this point of time, his character is changing. Live door person. A live door becomes somebody very extrovert, very energetic, so business-wise good. A horse person, that means somebody who is very active, cannot stay in the office for too long. Black tortoise, although it's a negative star, okay, so the situation is this. This black tortoise, which is a god, tell us that this person can talk very well also. That means he can talk. He's approachable. He is very active. So which means that exterior wise, sales is very, very good for him. But here's a bandit star. Bandit star tell us that losing money. Business losing money, well, not very great. But in that character wise, he can do big things, great things. So that's where things get a little bit more tricky. That means if he want to do business, technically can, but there's a few conditions. Why this have to be done is because if he does not follow the pathway, then it will go haywire, it will be very messy. So he need to go into a business whereby he need to talk a lot. It can be seminar business, it can be talking business, sales business, anything related to selling, talking, then he can excel. And he cannot do small, he have to do big, because the bandit star is somebody that can do big. So you have to override the bandit in terms of losing money by doing something even bigger, you see. So if possible, the horse, do something related to oversea, then it will be good. And because the live door is together with the person which is day star, which is Geng, is in harmony with them, so technically there is a very good chance that he will able to do something great provided that he is willing to go to the direction. Another thing to see is this. The O is over here that belongs to Earth. Earth produced the person. Okay, but in the year of stage 1, the Earth actually clashes with the person. That means the money clashes with the person. That means the money don't go to him. But in the second stage, the money go to him. So which means that if we are to do business, yes, the money will come to him. So which means that after 40 years old, then he can do business and do big business, or else he will not make it. You see, so that's how we decipher the chart of a direct wealth for a person. Thank you for watching this tutorial number 3. Ciao.